What if your biggest career advantage isn't your job title? It's everything you've already lived through. Welcome to the AI Reinvention Starter Map. This is your guide to understanding how your experience, knowledge, and skills can be repositioned in a world being reshaped by artificial intelligence. Let's begin. The rules of the game are shifting, but your experience isn't disappearing. The value you've built over years of problem solving, decision making, and showing up still matters. What's changing is how that value is recognized and delivered. AI accelerates the pace, it changes the tools, but it doesn't erase what you know. Your depth of experience is still the foundation. AI just changes how you build on top of it. So why do so many experienced professionals feel stuck right now? The answer comes down to three things: experience, value, and structure. You have experience, but it may not be framed in a way that resonates today. You have value, but you may not be packaging it in a way others can easily see. And your structure, the way you work and deliver, may not yet reflect what the market now expects. Feeling stuck isn't a sign that you're behind. It's a diagnosis, and diagnoses can be treated. Before we go further, let's set some rules of engagement. This isn't about learning everything there is to know about AI, and it's not about throwing away what you've built. This is about focused, strategic action. That's where the 1 hour rule comes in. Commit 1 hour, right now, to working through this framework. No multitasking, no skipping ahead. Give yourself the space to think clearly, and you'll walk away with something real. The reinvention framework has 3 phases: extract, expand, and execute. In the extract phase, you surface your hidden value, what you've done, what you know, what problems you've solved. In the expand phase, you use AI as a thinking partner to discover possibilities you might not have considered on your own. And in the execute phase, you take one idea and turn it into something tangible. 3 phases, 6 steps. Let's walk through each one. Step 1 is the experience dump. This is your chance to get everything out of your head and onto the page. Don't filter, don't edit, just write. Focus on the problems you've solved, the situations you've navigated, the decisions you've made under pressure, and the skills you've developed along the way. If you want to use AI here, paste your raw notes into a tool like ChatGPT and ask it to help you organize and identify themes. The goal is volume first. Clarity comes next. Step 2 is finding the patterns. Now that you have your experience dump, it's time to look for what repeats. Run your notes through 4 filters. What types of problems do you keep solving? What roles do you naturally play in a team? What decisions are others always asking you to make? And what knowledge do you reach for again and again? These patterns reveal your real expertise, the things that feel obvious to you but are genuinely valuable to others. Use AI to help surface what you might be too close to see. Step 3 is defining your value in plain language. Using what you've uncovered, you're going to build a value statement using a simple formula. I help blank do blank by using my background in blank. Fill in each piece. Then ask AI to help you test it, sharpen it, and make it sound natural. The goal isn't a perfect elevator pitch. It's a clear, honest statement that you can actually say out loud without cringing. Plain language wins. Step 4 is choosing your direction. You now have 3 paths in front of you: stay, shift, or build. Staying means deepening your value in your current role or industry using new tools. Shifting means taking your skills into a new context, a different industry, a different audience, a different format. Building means creating something new, a service, a product, a practice. None of these is permanent. You're not signing a contract. You're just choosing a direction to explore for the next 90 days. Step 5 is using AI to expand your possibilities. This is where you bring AI in as a genuine thinking partner, not just a search engine. Start with a structured prompt. Share your value statement, your experience, and your chosen direction. Then, ask AI to generate 10 ways someone with your background could create value in that space. Push back on the ideas. Ask follow-up questions. Stress test the ones that interest you. The goal isn't to outsource your thinking. It's to think bigger than you might on your own. Step 6 is turning one idea into something real. Take the strongest idea from step 5 and make it tangible. You have 4 options: create a workshop outline, write a short guide or PDF, Draft a service description or outline a LinkedIn post series. Pick one. Build a rough version today, not a finished product, just a proof of concept. Use AI to help you draft, outline, and iterate. Done is better than perfect. Something real in the world beats a perfect idea stuck in your head. Now that you have something real, the question is how to keep moving. Momentum isn't about doing everything at once. It's about taking the next step, then the next. Progress over perfection, consistency over intensity. Each action you take builds evidence, for yourself and for others, that you are someone who moves forward. The goal isn't to have it all figured out. The goal is to be in motion. As you move forward, you'll need a new structure, one built for the AI era. That means three things: organizing your knowledge so it's easy to access and share, learning to activate AI correctly so it amplifies rather than replaces your thinking, and continuing to move forward with your experience as the foundation. Structure isn't a constraint. It's what allows you to act quickly and confidently, even when things are uncertain. This is your next chapter. Not a reinvention from scratch, a reinvention from strength. You have the experience. You have the insight. Now you have a map. The door is open. What you do next is up to you. Take the first step today and build the version of your career that only you can build.